Hi guys, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So today's step-by-step tutorials for beginners is all about Olive Finance Testnet. If you want a written version of the tutorial, you can visit their complete guide on Notion. I will drop the link in the comments. And in this video, I will show you step-by-step how to go about the testnet from start to finish and every other thing that you need to do. So first of all, ensure that your metamask is on Arbitrum Goerli. Then the next thing you want to do is we are going to claim some testnet tokens on Arbitrum Goerli. So you are going to the Faucet. For your convenience, I will pin the link to the Faucet and every other link I use in this video in the comment section. So here is the Faucet. You are going to paste your wallet address. Make sure you are seeing Arbitrum Goerli just as you are seeing it on my screen. Tap on continue. Don't bother tweeting because that option has never worked for me. Apparently, if you tweet, you are going to get double of what you would have normally gotten, but that has never worked. So just tap on continue and claim your testnet tokens. Transaction completed, so my testnet tokens has been deposited and we are going to move on to the next step. We are visiting Olive Finance website where we are going to be doing the testnet interactions. You also find the link pinned in the comment section. At the top right of your screen, you will see connect wallet, so tap on it and then connect your wallet to the testnet website. Choose metamask or any other wallet that you normally use. Tap on next and then tap on connect. When you connect your wallet, you are going to see this invite code. If you did not see it automatically, then you have to enter it manually. So I also have the invite code pinned in the comments as well, so you can easily copy it and paste it here if you cannot see it. Then after successfully connecting your wallet, you are going to get 500 drops. This is like points. It's like when you are performing the Zealy task and then you get XP. So it's like points. So the next thing you are going to do is go to the middle at the top of your screen, tap on Faucet. Then tap on hit this mint button to mint testnet tokens. You are going to confirm that transaction in your wallet, and the Arbitrum Goerli that we got from the Faucet earlier is used as gas fee. The next thing you are going to see here is your testnet tokens have been minted successfully. You can see my balance showing. Then go to the bottom left of your screen, tap on vaults. So the first thing we want to do here is we want to deposit some tokens to the vault. So tap on GLP vault. We'll start with that. Indicate the amount of GLP that you want to deposit to the vault. Scroll to the bottom of your screen and then tap on approve. You need to approve first before you'll be able to deposit. So tap on approve. Also set your leveraging. I use 3 times leveraging here. Set your custom spending cap and then tap on confirm. Now you can deposit your GLP to the pool, so tap on deposit. Tap on confirm. And then your tokens have been deposited successfully. So we are going back to the vault and we'll do the same thing for the second token there, and that is the Abitrum USD GM vault. So indicate the amount of GM that you want to deposit to the vault. Choose your leveraging and then tap on approve. Just like we did earlier, you need to approve first before you'd be able to deposit to the vault. So tap on approve. Set your custom spending cap and tap on approve. Now you can deposit to the vault, so tap on deposit. Tap on confirm and your GM has been successfully deposited to the vault. We are going to move on to the next step. Go to lend, and that is at the bottom at the middle of your screen. So we want to also deposit some tokens to the lending pool. So we'll start with the first one. We want to deposit some USDC, so indicate the amount of USDC you want to deposit to the lending pool. Approve it first before depositing. Indicate your custom spending cap. Now tap on deposit. Confirm the deposit in your wallet. USDC deposit is successful. So we'll move back to the lend, and then we're going to do the same to the second token, and that is the Arbitrum USDC GM vault. So here we are also going to deposit some USDC to this vault. We are going to approve it. Indicate your custom spending cap, tap on approve. Now tap on deposit and deposit your 500 USDC to the vault. Tap on confirm. Now your USDC has been deposited to the lending vault successfully. We are going back to the vault at the bottom left of your screen, and this time we want to withdraw some funds from the vault. We want to withdraw part of the funds that we deposited to the vault, so we'll go to the withdraw tab, and here we'll be withdrawing some OGLP. Indicate the amount and tap on withdraw. Tap on confirm. Withdrawal successful. So we'll do the same thing to the second token in the vault. That's the Arbitrum USDC GM vault. We're going to make some withdrawal from the tokens that we deposited to the vault earlier. So indicate the amount of GMs or OGM that you want to withdraw from the vault. This time let me withdraw 350. Then tap on withdraw at the bottom of your screen. Tap on confirm. Withdrawal successful. Next, we are going to the middle bottom of our screen, and then we'll do the same thing to the lending vault. We are going to make some withdrawals. So tap on the first GLP lending pool, switch to the withdrawal tab, and indicate the amount of USDC you would like to withdraw from the lending pool. Tap on withdraw. Then tap on confirm. Withdrawal successful. So we are going to do the same thing to the Arbitrum USDC GM vault. Switch to the withdraw tab and indicate the amount of AUSDC that you want to withdraw from the vault. Scroll to the bottom of your screen and tap on withdraw. Confirm in your wallet. And the withdrawal is successful. The last part of this interaction is we'll go to Olive Drops at the bottom right of your screen. Here you can spin the slot machine 10 times every 24 hours. When you spin the slot machine, you get rewards. Part of the reward you will get is drops. Drops, like I explained earlier, is like points. So my first spin gave me 3 drops. I'm going to spin until I have completed the 10 spins I have for the day. Now I have used up all my spins for the day. If I want to do more spins, then I'll have to come back the next day. And at the bottom here, you can see how many drops that you have. Remember, we got 500 drops just for connecting our wallet earlier, and then I have gotten 71 more. By spinning the slot machine, then you can get more drops. Then when you scroll to the bottom, you can see your referral link. Copy your referral link and share it with people in your circle. Tap on copy link to copy your referral link. And then we also have Galxe and Zealy campaigns that you have to interact with. Try and gain as many points as you can in the Galxe and Zealy campaigns. My observation at this stage was that when I tapped on the Zealy and Galxe campaign link directly from the website, when I got there, it wasn't showing anything, like the tasks were empty. So I had to paste the link to the Zealy and Galxe campaign directly on my search bar, and that is when I was able to see the task I am expected to participate in. So in case you have the same experience, just check my comment section, check my pinned comment, and you're going to see the link to the Galxe and the Zealy campaign there, and you have to interact. The Galxe campaign will be expiring in a few days, so you have to make sure that you participate in it as soon as possible before the Galxe campaign will expire. So here is the Galxe campaign, and these are the tasks that is required of you to complete. The first task is to follow Olive on Twitter, and the second task is to retweet their post on Twitter. Third task is to like their post on Twitter. The fourth task is to have verified role on Discord, and you have to tap on that task to go to their Discord server and then get verified. The fifth task is to join them on Telegram. The sixth one is to visit their testnet website. And the last task is to share your feedback. Sorry, that is the second to the last task. The last task is to participate in the testnet interaction yourself. And after participating, also refer friends. And that is when that task is going to count for you. Well, I have completed everything, and I think the task is being verified manually, so I would have to come back maybe after 24 hours. After this task has been verified, before I'll be able to claim my oath and also claim my points. So that is it for this testnet tutorial. Lastly, don't forget that you need to fill a Google form like I said earlier, and give them feedback on your interaction based on your interactions with the testnet website. Don't forget that you are a tester, and as testers, they do not expect you to actually sugarcoat your experiences for them, because the purpose of helping them test their product is so that they can find out through your experience where they need to make adjustments and which of their products is actually fulfilling your needs at the moment. So when you are filling the form, make sure that you give the feedback exactly according to your experience. If there is something that is wrong on your end, even though the interactions went smoothly on my end while performing the testnet interactions, your own experience might be different. So drop your feedback according to your experience. You do not need to sugarcoat. Just let them know if something is wrong with the product so that they can fix it and create a product that is usable for everyone. If you have questions relating to this tutorial or any other tutorial that we have done on the channel before, do not hesitate to drop me a comment in the comments. I promise I'll get to it and I'll answer you. And you can also join us on Telegram. I respond faster actually on Telegram. If you have found value in any of my content, do not forget to subscribe for more so you don't miss out on any important updates. Like this video so that the algorithm can push it to many others to also watch. And thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.